And hello, we're in the middle of the week, folks. It is Wednesday. We got a little hazy view on our Alexandria Tower cam. Been evidently some controlled burns in the area, and the wind out of the south-southeast kind of bringing in some of that to the area. Had the same thing out around my house a little while ago, out east of town near Colleen. All right, checking out Leesville, we've got a mostly clear sky over in that direction as well. Just a tad of haziness left over. And coming up into your little weathercast here over the next few minutes, I've got a pattern change on the way. Unfortunately, this peaceful spell of weather we've had has ruined me. I'm not ready for it to change to unsettled, but of course, as it does many times, like the 4th of July, then it changes around Easter. So we've got that coming up in the 7-day forecast, and even before that, we'll explain why and how it's happening. Flood alerts remain on the lower Sabine across southwest Beauregard Parish. We go into the flood watch there, covering portions of Avoyelles and St. Landry. The Atchafalaya River at Simpsport may go into flood stage toward the end of the month, and the flood warning continues on the Mississippi River. More moderate up toward Natchez, a major flood stage down toward Baton Rouge area. All right, let's go into the satellite and radar. Notice how high pressure is moving away to the east of us, and you can see the clouds heading toward us. So this is the weather pattern change coming in, is pushing out our nice surface high and replacing it with an upper level trough and a disturbance. And eventually there'll be another little front in the forecast as well that will keep things kind of percolating as far as rain and storms are concerned. Forecast then, this is your future cast here over the next couple of days, kind of stepping you through it. What about your morning commute Thursday? Good weather there. Be warmer than it was this morning. By the time you come back home in the PM Thursday, no issues there either. And then Good Friday, if you're one who has to work that day, I think some school systems are going to be out. But anyway, the Friday morning commute will be mostly cloudy as clouds will continue to increase, heralding this weather pattern change to come. By Friday evening, back home, no issues there. Rain chances holding off at least until probably on Saturday. So Friday, mid-afternoon, we see that trough. Remember, this is a large, cool bubble of air in the atmosphere, and it changes weather because on either side of it, we've got warmer air. You see the warm colors versus the cool colors here. And as this feature impinges on the warm air, the surface pressure falls in this area. The Gulf opens up. It brings its moisture forth on a southerly flow to us and then points beyond, and that creates the rain and thunderstorms. There's also boundaries created by the difference in the wind in these circulations. Let's go beyond this into the time frame that marks Friday and into Saturday. We've got that system will make a move toward the east, and that, of course, will bring us a chance of rain and thunderstorms there heading into that part of the weekend. So here it goes into Sunday. Notice that makes a move on us further to the east. Most of the energy staying to the north of us, but it's enough with the moisture and instability and a front in the region to, again, bring that chance of rain and thunderstorms. And beyond this, this model is fairly tame, but I'm kind of disagreeing with this model some. The models are indicating it may be a little bit more unsettled, and I have made those changes in the 7-day forecast. So for tomorrow, and this is part of this weather pattern change, we're back to storminess here across the United States after a badly needed period. Late December 2024, major tornado outbreak. March, major tornado outbreak. April 2nd through 7th, major tornado swarm across the country east of the Rockies. So with those three major outbreaks, if I'm not mistaken, I think each of those is going to produce over 100 tornadoes. And so with that, this period was very welcome by many folks east of the Rockies, as we've had a drought of severe weather here lately. But that's about to change starting tomorrow in the Corn Belt. You see a risk of severe weather there. And notice how it journeys to the south on Friday, farther to the southeast there on Saturday. And guess what happens Easter Sunday? It's here in Cenla. And so that's your severe weather pattern over the next several days. 7-day forecast then Thursday, Friday, pretty good days. It'll be a little breezy Thursday. I wouldn't be surprised to see southerly gusts reaching 25, maybe even 30 miles an hour in a few places, 84. So it'll be a warm day. I'm holding out on rain chances for Thursday and on Good Friday. A warm day there, 67 and 86, much warmer than normal. Mostly clouds so far, holding out on rain chances, and with an overcast skies on Holy Saturday, just a 10% chance of rain. It remains warm, very warm Saturday morning with a low only near 70. And then rain and thunderstorms come alive there on Sunday, as we see a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms there, probably about a 70% Sunday night. And then the severe weather possibilities there I got outlined, highlighted on the map. A low front comes into the area, and with kind of a disturbed flow aloft, that front's going to be kind of a pest, and it will create scattered rain chances Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday. Very healthy rain chances, 50 to 60% there, with temperatures still above the norm, both during the day and at night. Let's go beyond this to the end of the month briefly. We continue to see that after that 7-day forecast, the next period will be this one, which ends the month with above normal temperatures here in Cenla. And as far as rainfall outlook, just bullseye there east of the Rockies, covering most of North Texas, the Arklatex of Arkansas into southeastern, eastern Kansas, much of Missouri, and fringes maybe of extreme western Tennessee and up in near the St. Louis area. So basically, through the end of the month, temperatures above normal and rain chances above normal as well. All right, that's it from me. Nick Miklos will be standing by in the morning, and I'll see you about this time or so during the day tomorrow. Hope you have a terrific Thursday.